Welcome to EduRev.
Hello students, I am Anil Kumar. I have done my MBA from Symbiosis Institute of Business Management, Pune. For the last 18 years, I have been training students for CAT, ZAT and other MBA entrance examination. Today, we are going to start a new topic of logical reasoning, that is number series. Now, question from number series are a regular feature in CAT, SNAP, NMAT, MAT and CMAT. Now, before moving to number series, just a brief discussion about logical reasoning topic that comes in different examination. Now in CAT, there are 16 questions that comes in logical reasoning. There are four sets of four questions each, altogether 16 questions. Now chances are you might get one or two questions from number series. ZAT last year asked 21 questions from logical reasoning part. SNAP has got 35 questions and NMAT has got 36 questions, and even the time limit is fixed for NMAT, that is 40 minutes. Fine. Now, what is a number series? A numerical sequence that follows a logical pattern based on elementary arithmetic concepts. Fine. A very simple sequence or series that is based on basic arithmetic concepts. Now, generally, there are three types of questions that comes in number series. First is a numerical series in which a number is wrongly placed. For example, I say 2, 4, 6, 7, 10, 12, and I ask you to find which is the number which is wrongly placed. So I'm observing these are all even numbers. So 7 is the wrongly placed number. Such type of question comes in number series. Now, second is a series wherein a specific number is missing. The next number of the series is missing. For example, I say 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and then I put a question mark. And I ask you what will you fill here? Fine. So, since we know there's a gap of 3, this number has to be 18. Such type of questions come in number series. Now, third type of series is a numerical series is given to you and then followed by an incomplete numerical series. For example, if I say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, then you need to find this series given to you and then a new series given to you. Suppose I say 10, 12, 14, 16. So what is the next term? Fine. So whatever logic is placed here, you need to apply same logic in this new series as well. Here the difference is of 2. Here also the difference should be of 2. Hence next term should be 18. Generally, these are three types of number series that comes in any MBA entrance examination. Now, broadly, we can categorize number series in 8 types. Fine. Now, first is prime number series, then is perfect square series, third is perfect cube series, fourth is arithmetic series, fifth is geometric series, sixth is mixed series, seventh is arithmetico-geometric series, and eighth is alternate series. Now, we will learn one by one each of these series with the help of some examples. Now, starting with prime number series. Now, before moving on, we should understand what is a prime number. A prime number is a number which has got only two factors. It has got only two factors. Or I can say a number which is divisible by only two numbers, 1 and the number itself. For example, if I say 3, now 3 is divisible by 1 and 3. 5. The 5 is divisible by 1 and 5. So such type of numbers are said to be as prime numbers. Now, for prime numbers, 2 is the only even prime number. Rest all prime numbers are odd. Fine. Now, a series based on prime number in a specific order and generally one number is either missing or wrongly placed. That is said to be as prime number series. Now let us understand this prime number series with the help of few examples. Suppose this, I have taken a very simple example: 5, 7, 11, 13, and the next term. Now guys, few of you might get confused that they are all odd numbers. So here it should come out to be 15. But I have not taken 9, and 9 is missing here. It means it is not a set of numbers of odd numbers. Fine. But I'm observing all these numbers are prime numbers: 5, 7, 11, and 13. All of them are prime numbers. Therefore, this series is a prime number series starting with 5. After 13, the next prime number is 17. Hence, in this question mark, I will write 17. Understood, guys? Very basic question. Now, there can be different variant of prime number series. I am taking another variant, but the concept will be of prime number. Now, here I have written 4, 6, 9, 14, 21. Fine. A bit difficult question. Now, let us observe the difference between consecutive numbers. Here the difference is of 2. Here the difference is 3. Here the difference is 5. Here the difference is 7. What I am observing, the difference between two successive terms are prime numbers. Fine. Therefore, the next difference should be of, after 7 we know 11 is the next prime number. The difference should be of 11. 21 plus 11 gives me 32. Hence, this question mark would be 32. Getting, guys? Fine. It's a matter of practice. We need to first understand series, practice some 20, 30 odd questions, and then there's a very easy topic from examination point of view. Now let us take one more a bit difficult example. It says 0, 1, 3, 5, 9, 11. Fine. Now suppose I can write this as 2 minus 2. One can written as 3 minus 2. 3 can written as 5 minus 2. Now what I am observing, this all numbers are prime number minus 2. Fine. This is 2 minus 2, this is 3 minus 2, this is 5 minus 2, this is 7 minus 2. Then next is 11 minus 2. Next is 13 minus 2. Therefore, this should be 17 minus 2. And what is 17 minus 2? 15. And this question mark need to be filled by 15. There can be some other variant as well, but I have given you 3 examples just to give you a feel what type of number come in prime number series. Understood, guys? Fine. So what you need to do, you need to first understand all the prime numbers. As a homework, what you can do, you can jot down all the prime numbers from 2 to 100. Fine. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, so on and so forth. So you don't need to mug up those, but you need to be having some idea about prime numbers. Then only it will strike to you that which is missing or which is wrongly placed. Fine, guys? Now, let us move to perfect square series. This is the second type of series, perfect square series. Now, what is a perfect square? And a square of any number is said to be a perfect square. Or I say 1 square. What is 1 square? 1. 2 square? 4. 1, 4. 3 square? 9. 4 square? 16. So these all are said to be as perfect square. 1, 4, 9, 16. They are said to be as perfect square. Now as a student, you should mug up all the perfect square from 1 to 30. Again, there is a homework for you, that mug up squares from 1 to 30. 18 square 324. 19 square 361. It should be very, very crystal clear in your mind. Fine. Any square, suppose I say 24 square 576. From 1 to 30, mug up all the squares. Now let us understand what is a perfect square series. A series which is based on perfect squares, and again either one number is missing or wrongly placed, is said to be as perfect square series. Now, 169, 196, 225, 256. Now, if you have mugged up, then the moment you see these numbers, it will strike you, oh, this is 13 square. Oh, 14, this is 14 square. If you're not mugged up, that becomes a very, very difficult question. Hence, first thing before moving to number series is to mugging up of squares from 1 to 30. This is 15 square. This is 16 square. The next has to be 17 square, which is 289. Hence, here in question mark will fill up 289. Understood, guys? Fine. Now here again 10, 11, 15, 24, 40. Now it will start striking you if you have affinity towards number. The moment you see a number, what all can be out 10, 11. Let's see the difference. 1 is the difference. Here the difference is 4. Here the difference is 9. Automatically I think, oh, the next difference should be of 16, which is there. So these are squares different. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. The next difference should be of 5 square. So 25. 40 plus 25 should be 65. Hence 40 plus 5 square is 65. Therefore, in question mark, it should be 65. Fine, guys? It's a matter of practice. The moment we practice few questions, all of you will start understanding, oh, what next number would be coming. Now, let us take one more example. 2, 5, 10, 17, 26. Now, this is a bit difficult one. Fine. So, this is 2 can be written as, how can you break 2? It is 1 square plus 1. Now, 5 is 2 square plus 1. 10 is 3 square plus 1. Okay, so we get a series, we get a logic. Next would be 4 square plus 1. This is 5 square plus 1. Extending the same logic, this should be 6 square plus 1. 6 square is 36 plus 1 is 37. Hence, in the question mark would be filling 37. Guys, I am telling you again, if you want to do mastery in number series, you should be well versed with all the perfect squares from 1 to 30. At the tip of your tongue, these squares you should be prepared with. Fine, guys? Fine. Let us move to one more type of series. Now, this is perfect cube. Again, cube of any number is said to be as perfect cube. 2 cube is 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64, 5 cube 125, 6 cube 216, 7 cube 343, 8 cube 512, so on and so forth. Again, guys, you need to mug up perfect cubes from 1 to 15. This is mandatory for solving this number series set of questions. From 1 cube till 15 cube, you should memorize in such a way such that the moment you see the number, it strikes you, oh, this number is a cube of a given number. For example, 343. To me, it strikes me, oh, it is 7 cube. 512. It is 8 cube. 729. It is 9 cube. 1000 is 10 cube. The next should be 11 cube, which is 1331. Fine. It should be at the tip of your tongue. Then only you will be able to solve such type of questions. Otherwise, it becomes a very, very difficult question. Fine, guys? Fine. Then question mark will be putting 1331. Then example 2, let us take one more example. 5, 6, 14, 41, 105. Nothing is striking to you, then see the difference. The difference is 1. Here the difference is 8. Here the difference is 27. Here the difference, ideally it should be 64, which is 64. The next difference will be 5 cube, which is 125. Difference will be 125. So 105 plus 125 is 230. Hence, the next term should be 230. Fine, guys? Now, don't look at the solution. Try to solve this. 63, 124, 215, 342, 511. Fine. Now, if I observe, this is 4 cube minus 1. This is 5 cube minus 1. This is 6 cube minus 1. This is 7 cube minus 1. This is 8 cube minus 1. The next should be 9 cube minus 1. The 9 cube is 729. Minus 1 is 728. Hence, instead of question mark, we should have 728. Fine, guys. Again, advising you, if you need to be strong in number series section, you should mug up squares till 30 and cubes till 15. Fine. Prerequisite. It's mandatory. Now let us move to one more set, arithmetic series. Now, as we have read in arithmetic progression, a series in which the next term is obtained by adding or subtracting a constant term to its previous term. For example, if I say 2 and I start adding 3, 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11, 11 plus 3 is 14, 14 plus 3 is 17. Such type of series is said to be as arithmetic series. Fine. We keep on adding or subtracting as well. We can start subtracting as well. Suppose I say 10. Now subtract 2. 8. Subtract 2. 6. 4. 2. 0. Minus 2. And so on and so forth. Therefore, either we can add a constant term or we can subtract a constant term. Such type of series is said to be as arithmetic series. Fine. Now let us solve a very simple example. 3, 7, 11, 15, 19. We see here the difference is 4. 4. That means we have added 4 to every term to get the next term. So 19 plus 4 would give me 23. Hence, here the next term would be 23. Very simple, guys. But we can make it difficult even in arithmetic series. Fine. The question can be framed in such a way that it becomes a difficult one. Now, again a simple one, 50, 43, 36, 50 minus 7, 43 minus 7, 36 minus 7, 29 minus 7 is 22. Therefore, 22 minus 7 will give me 15. Hence, the next term should be 15. Fine, guys. Either it could be an increasing arithmetic series or it could be a decreasing arithmetic series. Fine. Now, relatively different question. 4, 5, 7, 10, 14, 19. Now let us see the difference. Here the difference is 1. Here the difference is 2. Here the difference is 3. Here the difference is 4. Here the difference is 5. That means the difference itself is in AP series. Fine. And what is that AP series? Arithmetic progression series. That here we are adding 1 to get the next difference. 5 plus 1, 6 would be the next difference, not the next term. 6 would be the next difference. Hence, 19 plus 6 would be 25. Therefore, the next term would be 25. Fine, guys. Today we have completed 4 type of series. The next 4 type we will learn in my next lecture. Fine, guys. With this, we come to the end of today's lecture. Hope you understood. Fine. Now, since we have learned few concepts, we can start solving questions on Array infinity. Now, there are more than 10,000 questions spread across different chapters, and these questions are made by CAT experts, and the level is up to CAT. So, start practicing at Array infinity, and also give tests. Tests are very, very important because you get national ranking on those tests. We will see you in the next class. Till then, take care. Thank you.